Let's meet our next artist as she arrives with only one goal on her mind.
My name is Julia Eason. I am 18 years old and I'm from Palos Verdes. I'm a soccer player and I've played since I was like 8 years old, club teams, traveling, and all that stuff until very recently. I think it's crazy that we get to be singing with and mentored by these people because they're such big names in the music industry. I'm scared that my nerves will get the best of me because I grew up listening to these people on the radio, and now to sing in front of them, I can't even wrap my mind around it.
I love you, but I gotta stay true. Your morals got me on my knees. I'm begging, please stop playing games. I don't know what this is, but
I think she's living her dream right now.
you knew you would be. You got me begging you for mercy. Why won't you release me? Oh, I said release me. Oh, I'm begging you. You got me begging. You got me begging. No, you got me begging. Oh, see, yeah. Oh, I'm begging you for mercy.
That's amazing.
I'm so glad that somebody pushed their button because I was going to have to if they didn't, because you deserve to be in this competition.
Thank you.
I loved you. Like, loved you. I really did. I would love to work with you. I think we would have so much fun together. I mean, I really enjoyed you. You made me feel it. I loved your runs and your ad-libs. They were distinct and they were specific, and you executed them really well, and that's important for me as a singer. But you had soul, and I love that, and you moved me.
Oh my God, thank you.
Well, I'm not surprised that Christina pushed the button as well, because your voice reminded me of something that she mentioned earlier, a balance of something smooth but yet assertive at the same time. And you were very clear and you were very graceful up under a lot of pressure. And that was attractive, and I was moved by it as well. And I choose you as well. And I'd like to have you on my team. What can I do? What can I do?
It's really hard. Okay, oh boy. I think I'm gonna go with Christina.